No, I not see audible system.
Just wait. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, are you? I am audible. Sir, am
Ma'am,
I audible?
sound is ecosystem. Ecosystem is what
Yes, sir.
share skin one now, but recording system is not visible here.
Just recording is not visible. But I started recording. This gives that problem only when we share on screen. Na? Even sir admin joined.
Ma'am, yeah, your sound is vibrating.
Sound is
What is shaking vibration?
actually I had
Sound is
joined two systems, so good evening, sir. Yet it's echo, na?
ma'am.
Sound is echoing. Recording का चालू है. रिकॉर्डिंग कोने चालू की? Hello.
Ma'am.
Still it is echoing. Can you hear me? उसका वॉल्यूम कम कर. वॉल्यूम स्लो कर.
Ma'am, why are the words trembling? I don't know.
Yes.
Why are the words trembling? The words are shaking.
Water city. I can't get you. Actually, recording is starting now, but Bharat sir didn't join. Uh, I'll call him in a minute, huh?
Okay.
Good evening, sir. Hello. Hello. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Actually, I was waiting for Bharat sir. I had invited him for
And
today.
now sound is clear. Sound is
Oh,
clear now.
yeah, that's why I exit first. I have to get out and again join it. Actually, I was waiting for Bharat sir.
Okay.
I had called him to today's meeting join.
Okay.
Bharat sir is our advanced president.
Acha.
He didn't even receive my call. Maybe he forgotten, I think so.
Acha.
Okay, we'll start because it's already 7:20.
Yes.
So, welcome to our today's session, India Bangladesh telecollaboration, our fifth session. It is a nice project that we are participating, isn't it?
100%.
Due to this project,
100%.
we have been communicating and knowing each other.
Yeah.
As today's session will include about quality education health and well-being, about life in your hometown. These three topics we are considering today. Quality education will let you know. In quality education today we are going to take education that we are giving. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, is the session number is 4 or 5?
5, I think so. No? I'm having
5.
4 meetings in my Google Drive.
Yeah.
Isn't it? I send you also.
Thank you. Hey, okay.
Yeah, but just I'll see, correct the time over there, what is going on. Because the time changes accordingly, we go for the quality resolution of the video, no? So time has been bit changed of video. And one video of us was a bit corrupted. I was having a wrong corrupted video and you sent me the video that the audio wasn't there. So I had to record a bit audio on it. I managed to record some voice and I uploaded that video. So in today quality education we'll know about ETWAS. Actually ETWAS is an organization in Jalgaon of English teachers organization, and Mr. Bharat Shirsat sir is the president of us ETWAS organization, but yet he isn't receiving call.
Oh, sorry.
Actually, he is also an coordinator in this project with Yogesh Sunavne sir.
Oh, I see.
He only had suggested us to join this project.
That's great.
He's really a motivative person. He writes nice poetries also, and he had built this organization ETWAS. ETWAS, English Teachers Welfare Association, is a registered association which is working for the continuous professional development of the English language teachers in Jalgaon district.
Right.
This welfare association is working very, very effectively and motivatively, and is really taking nice innovative steps every time with considering all the teachers together. It also aims to guide to English language teachers for proper English language learning experiences for the students. Really, through this we are taking a nice innovative step, that is, we are celebrating English Day in our schools. And due to that celebration of English Day, our students are really participating in new activities, taking part in and performing, and they are getting new learning experiences, and 100% they have got nice English language speaking skills. They just improve because of this celebration of English Day, English Fun Fair, new innovative ideas we have been engaged through these organizations. Through this organization, we want to create a movement for English speaking ecosystem in each and every school of the district. Really, this organization helps to prove English speaking system in each and every district of Jalgaon. Really, it has proved now nicely in small villages also, by taking these English Day celebrations and other activities of innovative magazines and all, by making teachers trained and then giving them in the students that skills. It has been proved very successful in this. English subject. We appeal to English language teachers to send their CPD efforts and the success stories of their students as far as English language teaching learning is concerned. Each and every teacher performs other activities in their schools, and accordingly the teacher gets the result, shares his that success story, that how she had come, how the teacher or the student they have been coming up, and they share their stories to the organization and to the program. So this becomes a very nice innovative way that the students share their feelings and their experience. It is equally important to say thanks to Mr. Bharat Shishad sir, as he is not by here by incidentally, and coordinator Yogesh Sonanani sir for collaborating with us this project and involving us. This is the innovative step in the direction of creating multilingual. Sorry, something went wrong over here. Well, I have to make some editing over here as something came extra wordings over here from down. Multilingual speaking ecosystem in the schools of our district. It is really nice to learn English learning skills and being multilingual, different all languages, Marathi, Hindi. Even we are having Sindhi in our school, so we are having 4 languages in our school: Marathi, Hindi, Sindhi, and English. So my students learn typically 4 languages. So it becomes a proud to learn 4 languages for him. Again, I am sure that this project will helpful to English language teachers for their CPD. We hope that this little plant will certainly grow and flourish enough to give shelter to each and every language learner. Really, I hope that through this project also, we will learn much from each other. Isn't it? So are you audible? Is now screen available?
Ma'am, sound is clear, but
Screen is visible?
okay, visible. Yes, visible screen.
Actually, recording was stopped. So again, I have to connect recording and screen sharing again. So this is our Bharat Shirsat sir, President of Advance Team. Ganesh Bachao sir, he is Secretary. Vice President Pramod Athavale sir, he is also very fantastic in English speaking. M.R. Chaudhary sir, T. Pandre sir, Aslam sir, Y.D. Patil, and these are all other members. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Actually, this is the photo of the magazine that was being published 2 years before. And then this all happened, Corona, so we can't go it further. We just got a magazine on online only, digital magazine. This was our first edition of our one magazine we published in Advance for our teachers CPD, and in this magazine we put very nicely all the articles of some children, some teachers, those who have written their own moral stories also, and even those who are having had even the success stories, their own life stories. This was our whole day. The means the day when we have established, we have published our magazine, and this is our logo of Etwas. And I really still remember the day when the first magazine was published. It was so much interesting and great, because that day first time I also was standing on the dais in front of so many big dignitaries to stand, and suddenly I was being called to give a speech in front of them. And really it was wondering for me, but I don't know, when I was speaking, what I was speaking about the program, whole program I have to give, how was the program. It's just a summary, and really all liked it, that thing, that yes, it was a good explanation of the program. This is English Journey with You publication ceremony. All the this was the main chief guest here. It was a very nice celebration. It was President Mr. Bharat Shishtat sir, Pramod Athavale sir, and all the members, and our respected BG Patil sir. He was there for the inauguration of our this book, English Journey book. And here we were gone. This is our whole Etwas team. This all our teachers. It is a whole. Here is a Bharat Shishtat sir sitting, and we were gone for a English fun fair. We also had just before this Corona time to come, we had an English fun fair in small districts, different in Chalisgaon district and even Arundel. This was in Arundel. We had gone in a school, and the students over there had organized different activities. And before the program, just Sir Bharat sir has made us together and given us the several duties. Here I am sitting, here Bhaskar sir is there, and these are the teachers, Mrs. Agnes, all the teachers from different parts of Jalgaon district have been here. Some are from Bhusawal, some are from, just as we are having now group from various fields, the teachers are there. But these are all English teachers, and we had a very nice English fun fair in that Arundel and Chalisgaon. This was the Arundel. Recently, I couldn't get the Chalisgaon pics, but that also was too good. This was the program we were having. See, the students were sitting. Actually, I have this program uploaded on YouTube also. So I will send you the link later on, so that you can see that program, how it was really being conducted. And it was a really nice program. All the students performed a very nice activities, so much nice songs they sang, too much entertainment the whole day, from morning 8 o'clock to evening 6 o'clock. We were having a program over there, and the program was such a grand success over there. Whole day it was going on, working with different activities. We were giving some performance, and couldn't realize when the whole day was gone in that activities, performing and students. The students were singing and acting so naturally. Actually, there was a this was the whole team we were there with, from Jalgaon, Bhusawal, Chopra, various fields. She is Dr. Mahajan Madam. She is from Nasik Diet. Chairman, she was the chief guest over there. and she gave a very nice speech and motivating to all the students and teachers. We all were together. We have worked together with different views and different projects we were handling over there. It was really a teamwork, and this competition made students so much motivating and interesting to speak in English that children loved and liked to be with them, and they were really happy. And there was a competition between them. Different schools were also there. It was an inter-school competition. Overall, Arundel, there were many schools, near about 300 to 400 students participated. 300 to 400 students participated in that program. And there was a nice competition, and a trophy was being set over there. And this was the school to get over that trophy. And it was a school from Arundel, and these girls had performed a very nice play, and they were really so excited and dancing to receive that trophy. I can't even imagine. All were excitement. They were not even ready to sit for the photograph or anything. Just keep on dancing and dancing.
Actually, winning moment is a very excitement
Yes,
everywhere.
yes, these moments are really very excitement, and I'm thankful that I participated that time also, and I could get those happy moments with me. Now, as I had explained that all before, about the magazine, about the program, about the ATWAS, all that English, what I was written, I had tried to translate in Bangladesh language. Just see, is it correct language? Can you read it?
Okay, I read out please.
I had tried to. Oh, Bharat sir had came. I had just tried to translate this in English.
English Teachers Welfare Association.
Good, good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you, sir?
Fine.
Actually, we were waiting for you, and then just now started.
I'm sorry, I was engaged in another meeting with some officers.
Okay, okay. I felt that something might be busy.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Rubel sir? Rubel sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Bharat sir had came. I'll make you introduction to them.
Okay.
Mr. Bharat sir, as you can see in the screen, he is in the first middle seat. He is the president of our ATWAS, and he is the organizer of and editor of this magazine and the ATWAS team. He is very innovative, and he always keep on uniting and communicating with each and every teacher and making all things assess done for them. He is ever ready to help the teachers.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Sir, I have just tried to give some knowledge of our ATWAS, English Teachers Welfare Association, that we have been published about this magazine, and the English Teachers Welfare Association, what about the work we are doing, and the fun fair we have been taken, and the magazines we have published. The Arundel Fun Fair, the activities, different activities we have taken over there. Similarly, activities as we have taken in Chalisgaon also. I was just trying to present about ATWA's work, ATWA's team. what we are doing over here with you under your guidance and motivations. I had just translated some of our all the it was information which I have written in English. I tried to translate in Bangladeshi language. So I was
Very
asking
nice.
Google sir to read it if he can.
Yes.
Sir, can you read it?
Okay. ইংলিশ টিচার্স ওয়েলফেয়ার অ্যাসোসিয়েশন একটি নিবন্ধিত সমিতি যা জলগাঁও জেলার ইংরেজি ভাষায় শিক্ষকদের অবিচ্ছিন্ন পেশাদার বিকাশের জন্য কাজ করে চলছে। এটি শিক্ষার্থীদের জন্য উপযুক্ত ইংরেজি ভাষা শেখার অভিজ্ঞতার জন্য ইংরেজি ভাষার শিক্ষকদের গাইড করারও লক্ষ্য রাখে। এই ম্যাগাজিনের মাধ্যমে আমরা জেলার প্রতিটি বিদ্যালয়ের ইংরেজি স্পিকিং ইকোসিস্টেমের জন্য একটি আন্দোলন তৈরি করতে চাই। এই ম্যাগাজিনের মাধ্যমে আমরা ইংরেজি ভাষার শিক্ষকদের তাদের সিপিডি প্রচেষ্টা এবং তাদের শিক্ষার্থীদের সাফল্যের গল্পগুলি যতটা ইংরেজি ভাষার পাঠদান শিক্ষার বিষয়ে উদ্বিগ্ন তা প্রেরণের জন্য আবেদন করছি। আমি এই পত্রিকাটি প্রকাশের জন্য তাদের সকল সমর্থকদের জন্য এটোয়াজ এবং এসএলটি সদস্য এবং ইংরেজি ভাষার শিক্ষকদের ধন্যবাদ জানাই। আঞ্চলিক একাডেমিক কর্তৃপক্ষ, নাসিক শিক্ষা বিভাগ জলগাঁও এবং ডিআইটি জলগাঁওকে এই ম্যাগাজিনের প্রকাশনাতে তাদের অব্যাহত সহায়তার জন্য ধন্যবাদ বলা সামান্য গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। এটি আমাদের জেলার স্কুলগুলোতে ইংরেজি স্পোকিং ইকোসিস্টেম তৈরির দিকে প্রথম পদক্ষেপ। আবার আমি নিশ্চিত এই ম্যাগাজিনটি তাদের সিপিটির জন্য ইংরেজি ভাষার সহায়ক হবে। আমরা আশা করি যে এই ছোট গাছটি অবশ্যই বেড়ে উঠবে এবং প্রত্যেককে আশ্রয় দেওয়ার মতো যথেষ্ট প্রসারণ করবে। থ্যাংক ইউ ম্যাম, অ্যাকচুয়ালি নাইস অর্গানাইজেশন। থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
A great translation in Bangla.
Yes,
Thank you very
sir.
much.
Yes, sir. Really.
Well, sir, it seemed very nice and we enjoyed it.
থ্যাংক ইউ ম্যাম, থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
Great,
So now you
great.
get it very nicely, no? In Bangladesh language.
Bangla is similar to Marathi.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes. So nice, Rubel sir. Great.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
So this was about our quality education we have got. Bharat sir, I would
Yes,
request
ma'am.
to say some few words regarding our
Yes, sure, ma'am. So, at first, thank you very much, respected Raulani ma'am and Rubel sir, for involving me in this very important session. So, this is a good opportunity for me to listen to Rubel sir and Raulani ma'am. Let me say about Raulani ma'am. She is our strong activist, having good knowledge of English and a very good human being. This is the best quality. She is kind-hearted and broad-minded. And again, she is always ready to give her 100% potential for the sake of the teachers' welfare and students' welfare.
thank you, sir.
So in our project, is an organization which is working for the teachers, and every time we plan something new for the teachers, for their CPD, continuous professional development. Do you listen to me properly? Raulani ma'am, do you listen to me properly?
Yes, sir. I'm able to listen, but something background voice is there.
Why is he echoing?
Rubel sir.
I think somebody is speaking.
Yes, yes. Rubel sir, just keep a mic sometime off.
जी
Sometime
मैम,
mute
मैम
your mic. Sir, mute your mic for few minutes.
Hello.
Usha.
Sir, now sir.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Should I speak now?
Yes, sir, speak.
Yes. So, I think Rubel sir, you are our guest, and we are very happy to meet you. And we are expecting that during the span of time, life, whenever you get time, please visit India, and we invite you, specially invite you. Please come to your district, Jalgaon district, and we will be very happy having a tour with you and visiting some important places near about to Jalgaon. So on behalf of our Raulani ma'am, I'm inviting you, Rubel sir. So our English Teacher Welfare Association is limited for Jalgaon district, but we are trying to give something new for our teachers, for their CPD. And that's why we are planning something new, taking out means publishing a magazine and bringing the projects like English Fair. Again, we conducted a very nice project based on 10th English book.
English Day also.
I think in December. So we think that we should give something new to our teachers, and every time we plan for that. So in coming time, we are planning that we should create something very useful training center for teachers, and we are planning for that. And if possible, in coming days, we shall try for that, and we will have, I'm sure we will have a training center specially for English language teachers in coming days. So English Teacher Welfare Association is always trying for the development of the CPD of the teachers, and our teachers are satisfied with us. So I'm very happy being with you now, that your session is very nice and you are taking active participation in this session. This is nice tele collaboration, and I am sure that with the help of this project, India and Bangladesh relations will be strengthened, and no doubt at all. So it will not only strengthen the relationship between India and Bangla, but it will also strengthen the relationship between 2 and 3 and more religions which are available, which are now in Bangla and in India, especially talking about Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, Buddhist, Jain. All the religions will be tied up with the help of this project, and the brotherhood will be increased, no doubt at all. So thank you very much, Raulani ma'am. You invited me here, and you gave me an opportunity to speak with some words with you. And I think that
thank you very much.
your students are here.
No,
Students
sir,
are
my
also
students are not participating today because in one day only I conducted this session, and I'll again conduct the session with students as it is their holidays are going. So students, my few students
I
are
can
out of
understand.
session.
I can understand. Uh, okay, no problem. But I'm sure that you people, both Rubel sir and you, will share your experiences with your students. And in
Yes,
coming days, if possible, please invite 2 or 3 or 4 students in this session, and that will be a innovative experience for your students also, and they will
yes,
not
I'm
forget
going to
this
take.
experience in their life.
Yes, I'm going to take 2 sessions. As today I had taken only with our advanced team. It was good. So that's why I asked that should I take whole team or enough one. So it's
Rubel sir,
better.
let me tell you one quality of our Raulani ma'am. She's very means she's very a very kind person, and she's very
And
sensitive.
actually, sir, I feel proud that I am partner with Raulani ma'am.
But remember,
She
Yeah,
is a
it's
remember,
very
all
nice
your
guy.
kindness. It's all your kindness that you're making because I'm following the instructions of
she
what you are
cannot
giving.
bear a sorrow of anybody. She cannot bear sorrow of anybody. She want to see
Exactly.
everyone in happy situation,
Really,
and she is very
all should
concerned about her
happy.
friends. So okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you very much for being
Thank you,
so
sir.
gratitudely words to us. Thank you
Thank you,
very much,
ma'am.
sir.
Should I take your leave?
So you're taking leave?
Do you want? Do you think that I must be with you here up to the session?
As you, okay, as you feel.
I think that I will disturb your session.
No, no, no. It's not that.
Okay,
It's
please
not
please
that.
carry on. I am taking your leave.
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Thank you
okay.
very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. He is a
Hello.
very nice man.
Really, he's
Yes,
really nice and motivating every time to each and every teacher.
actually, ma'am, his English speaking is very nice.
Yes,
Pronunciation is very
yes,
nice
yes.
to me.
He speaks very intelligently and very motivately. And special thing, he is able to speak in such a way that the front person gets it what he want to say, whether he speaks less or more. The person is really getting his words. Even in Marathi also he speaks very nicely. His speech is very much motivating.
I understand.
So now we are going to next topic, lifestyle in Jalgaon.
Okay,
Actually,
ma'am,
I
carry on.
have this link, but I'm doubtful that it should run over here. Again, that same thing is coming. Okay, I'll take this later on. We'll go further. As in Jalgaon, lifestyle is simple and good entertainment. Simple sari, simple dress, simple eating food also. Our next topic is also regarding health and hygiene and wellness. As you know, the good diet will give us good health, and good hygiene and good wellness is very, very important nowadays, isn't it? Now, in this pandemic area,
Yes, ma'am.
we have to maintain this priorly. We have to have a good hygiene diet so that we can keep us good health, and keeping us fit is very much important, isn't it? Because this
Yes,
COVID-19 has taught us the importance of hygiene food, healthy food, and keeping us fit and fine. So, physical exercise that is being must nowadays, though we are in lockdown sitting at home, but we have to keep on with our physical exercise going on. And when we are keeping us physically fit, the remaining all things are automatically will be getting fit. And to keep us perfect and well, for all this, first of all, we have to keep us physically fit. If we are physically fit, then we can do any type of work, hard work, mental work, everything. Mentality also should be concentrate. If we are not able to mentally keep us fit, then we are not able to concentrate on our work. Simple, small work also we will be not able to conduct, get it. So mental health is also a very big issue to keep us fit. Spiritually also we have to get it. If we are not having inspiration, we are not having a spiritual to do any work, we will feel lazy and just sit calm and cool. We will not be able to get done that work. As now I thought that I have to take this PPT, or I have to take this session for education. quality education, that is for advanced. Then I got the inspiration, I got the motivation thinking, and then I could get it done with that work. Even we have to keep our emotions with us. If we don't have feeling that we have to do this work, we have to, this is good thing, this is bad thing, this is, then we can't get it, what is right, what is wrong. So we have to keep proper balance in thinking also, emotionally also. And the social, it is also an important to keep, as now if we are not connecting with each